right, it's another beautiful day, and you are right here tuned to the program Make Them Talk. Make Them Talk, my program where we say we bring them from Procyon radio and television, and a program where we give the country people opportunity to make them talk their own concern, anything where we say we put on top the table. And like when I know, we will look at the thing where we say they reign inside the news for Nigeria and for the world. We bring and come table and we delicate and so that everybody will understand how it be. Took their mouth put and we will see how we'll fit take make country better. The program, like I tell you now, for Procyon radio and television, and they come to now every working day of the week. That's go and be safe from Monday to Friday, from 9 o'clock in the morning and 9 o'clock in the evening. And to watch the program, you will just download the Procyon radio and TV app. And from there, you will listen to us for radio by 9 a.m. and watch us for television by 9 a.m. and 9 p.m. And every day, like I talk, now we do. My name now Ehis Agbon. And like I know, we get our analyst for house where we say in the day here to also help us analyze and delineate the thing from his own perspective so that countryman will also see the story from different angle and different perspective. Today, Kaya full basket, and the Kaya, I hope so we'll get enough time to remove them 1 by 1, 2 by 2, 3 by 3, and peel the onion and see how it be. The onion one with the peel, not be onion where they make tears come up for eyes, but the onion we go make person see better. Not be native onion, because people say that native onion, they make countryman cry. So no time when you open native onion, with tears don't come up for your eye. Yes. So we will look plenty story. Like when I know this program, they supported by Truth Nigeria. Truth Nigeria is one media organization where they get their website where they bring news. And waiting Truth Nigeria, therefore, now to help us discover the truth about Nigeria. And today, like always, we'll start by first of all, we'll go Truth Nigeria website. Go see what they happen for there, what will be the latest stories where they. Then we'll come look other stories where we say that them, they are hits for Nigeria. My guest, like always, now Mazi, Uche, and Ijegalu. Mazi, welcome to the program today.
Hello, good morning. I agree to everybody. Today, when I see the topic, I say, truly today, Kaya full baskets as we talk.
Yes. And before I forget, Mazi, Uche, Ijegalu, now they do the program, by 8 o'clock every morning from Procyon radio. That one be say about 1 hour ago, now they do the program. And maybe we just go straight to begin deliquate the Kaya with the inside basket. But before then, to make a reminder, I say our social media handle now at Procyon RTV. If you go YouTube, you go Facebook, you go TikTok, you go Thread, Instagram, LinkedIn, and which one remember when I never talk Facebook, you go search for Procyon RTV. You go see them. Once you see them, put your comment and observation in respect of this program and any other thing when you feel about what will they do for Procyon radio and television. Apart from that, if you also call into the program or send your WhatsApp message inside the program, and to call into the program or send your WhatsApp message into the program, now 0809 799 1989 and 0809 4646206 for calls and for WhatsApp message and voice note. All of them now will accept for the program. Once you drop them, we will read them out for here. And make sure not forget to say the social media handle also they available for owner. So like I talk, make I go straight, start the story from the top as it day. If you go truthnigeria.com, will be the website of Truth Nigeria, you will see plenty of Bonga story where they carry out today, the 17th day of May 2024. You will go see story on Leah Sharibu's nightmare, 6 years in the making. Leah Sharibu's nightmare, 6 years in the making. Now be the main story where they occupy the landing page for Truth Nigeria website. Other story there, like they always say now, Truth Nigeria is always on top of the game that they bring out the alert, and this alert now security alert to help people stay safe. The latest alert now yesterday night it come out. Terror attack threatened nightmare of May 16, 2024. Alert. Terror attacks threatened night of May 16, 2024. And other story where the landing page of Truth Nigeria will get the one we don't date there since like 2-3 days. The son of a terrorist defect to the Nigerian army. Make una go through Nigeria.com, go read this story and plenty more. Nigeria struggles to improve oil production despite setback linked to corrupt officials. That one be say, now story where we say as Nigeria they struggle to improve the production of oil and the plenty problem with corruption they create to make them no fee achieve what they want achieve. Other story 105 for truthnigeria.com now. Story on minimum monthly wage talk in Nigeria stores as workers cry insufficient. That one I started wearing where yesterday we analyzed and deliberated for now. Also, Yobe takes unconventional part against Boko Haram, launches spiritual warfare. And I would like to go through Nigeria homepage, go read this story. That one be truthnigeria.com. And the next story when we get here, Nigerian journalist faces chilling ordeal after interview request with religious police. Nigerian journalist faces chilling ordeal after interview request with religious police. This one also story where we say they for the homepage of truthnigeria.com when I go like make una go to go read and understand that. Then this one of man where born must for Kano over inheritance dispute also rain yesterday. So make una also go truthnigeria.com, make una go read more on the story. All of this now story for truthnigeria.com. From truthnigeria.com, we could now come the equate the different story where we say now then they reign for Nigeria. But first, we will look in depth, in total, inside the first major story waiting for Truth Nigeria website, where you carry the headline, Leah Sharibu's nightmare, 6 years in the making. This is not the story. As Americans celebrated Mother's Day on May 14, the plight of one young Nigerian girl gained renewed global attention. Leah Sharibu turned 21 years old, making a solemn 6 years in the captivity of terrorist group known as Islamic State of West Africa Province, ISWAP. Abducted from her high school at the age of 15 in 2018, Leah has suffered unfathomable cruelty for refusing to renounce her Christian faith. Torn from her family, school, and freedom, this bright student with dreams of becoming a doctor, Leah has endured immense suffering. She has been forced to bear 3 children from serial rapes by the different terrorist commanders, setting herself apart from most of the girls captured in Dapchi. In 2018, Leah refused to renounce her Christian conviction. Therefore, ISWAP made her a public example. They vowed never to release her. Yet, her spirit remains unbroken as inspiration to all who cry out for release and the thousands of others who remain in captivity. And I would like to go read that story and I'll see the subject we talk, say, survival sound, the alarm, a failure of government, the global outcry, and beyond Nigeria's border. All of this now part of the story on this Leah Sharibu, where we say she don't date for all these terrorist bandits people banned 6 years, and she turned 21 last week. All right, from that story where we come pick another story. If like say terrorists and bandits problem no go finish for Nigeria and for the story some they do, because this other headline now story where we say Nigerian military declares Nigerian terrorist Halilu Buzu wanted. All right, if now go if now the watch the story, when I see the picture of Halilu Buzu, he now somebody will come from Niger Republic, he come they do bad things for Nigeria. We could just look inside the story, see what in the details of the story be. The Nigerian military has declared Halilu Buzu a national of Buzu in the Republic of Niger wanted for terrorizing Nigerian territory, particularly Zamfara State. Director of Defense Media Operations, Edward Buba, a Major General, made the announcement on Thursday in Abuja at a media briefing on the operations of the military. Mr. Buba said the notorious suspected terrorist leader settled in Sububu Forest in Shikafi local government area of Zamfara State. He said that Buzu had a camp for illegal gold mining located at Kawaii in Anka local government area of the state and had lots of boys working for him. According to Mr. Buba, the terrorist is also a prominent cattle rustler. He said that Buzu's group had in the last week killed 19 villagers in Farar Kasa. He is a high-value target and we hereby declare him wanted. Furthermore, he is a major arms supplier, trusted by arms dealers supplying arms from Libya. We have been on his trail, and whenever we're closing on him, he boats across the border into the Republic of Niger for refuge. At this time, we are through appropriate channel calling on the Nigerian authorities, regional and international bodies to support him affecting his arrest, to hold him accountable for his atrocity, he said. This one, now story will be say, also they're very important. Like I talk, if na see in face, those who they watch us now, and I will see in face for the program on Procyon television, and those who they watch for YouTube or Facebook, that same thing be that. From that story, we enter our next story, and this time around, one put eye for politics more. APC chairmanship search for Ganduje's replacement begins. Yes, this one no be new story because it don't tell where this issue dey ground, but maybe we read details of the story. There are indications that the presidency may have given the green light for stakeholders to begin the search for a replacement for the All Progressive Congress National Chairman, Dr. Abdullahi Ganduje. This one is from Leadership newspaper we carry on. The villa, which has been silent over Ganduje's recent political travail, is said to have commissioned APC governors from the North Central geopolitical zone to begin a search for a new chairman from the region as originally planned by the party. And this one no be news for many people, because it don't tell where people they expect that. And all of Ganduje problem, they directly linked to the dollar video we come out some years ago, because the Kano State Chief Judge don't reassign the case against Ganduje to new judge. If also they watch us for television, the dollar video, Kano CJ reassigns case against Ganduje to new judge. When we read inside the story now, DJ Abdul Aboki, Kano State Chief Judge, has transferred the criminal case against Abdullahi Ganduje, National Chairman of the All Progressive Congress, to a new judge. Before the latest development, the case was before Kano High Court 4, presided over by Usman Naaba. The case has now been transferred to High Court 7, sitting at Miller Road, and presided over by Amina Adamu Aliyu. News Agency of Nigeria reports that Babajibo Ibrahim, the court spokesperson, said the office of the CJ has the power to direct and transfer a case at any stage before the judge. The Kano government filed an 8-count charge bordering on bribery allegations, misappropriation and diversion of public funds against Ganduje. The former governor of Kano State is to stand trial alongside his wife, Hafsat Umar, son Umar Abdullahi Umar, and 5 others. Other defendants in the case are Abubakar Baburo, Jibrila Muhammad, Lamaj Properties Limited, Safari Textile Limited, and Lasage General Enterprise. The story is there for our website there, that is there for make them talk. Now they watch them so that we'll hear details of the story. And finally, the last story we'll talk about today. Now another story where we say touch the heart of Nigerians, because the thing got to do with people who say don't work for government and can't retire. This one be 19.6 trillion naira pension fund. Labour opposes federal government's plan to undermine retirement savings. So, as federal government talks, say they need to carry pension fund to do infrastructure. Now make when Labour come out, they shout, say they no agree, they no agree. Make we read details of this headline. The organized Labour has frowned at federal government's plans to utilize the 19.66 trillion naira pension fund for infrastructure development. This is contained in a joint letter signed by the Nigerian Labour Congress and the Trade Union Congress, TUC, which was addressed to the Minister of Finance on Thursday in Abuja. The letter, which was signed by Mr. Joe Ajero, NLC President, and Mr. Tommy Etimokon, TUC Deputy President, was entitled, "Leave Our Pension Fund Alone. Do not tamper with workers' funds." Now the title of the story be that. And according to Ajero, the announcement has ignited deep apprehension and unrest among Nigerian workers, who are the primary contributors of these funds. We therefore urge the government to reconsider its plan to tap into pension fund and instead explore sustainable financing options that do not compromise the retirement security of Nigerian workers. Organized labor will resist any action that seeks to undermine the retirement savings of Nigerian workers, they said. Like I talk, plenty things they basket. When I don't hear the stories where we say one delinquent today, so we'll start for the first one where the other day Mazi don't really talk about them, but maybe we see Chukma post more today. This Leah Sharibu case where we say 6 years now, the way where they say the global community don't Chukma output, and the fact where we say it be like say nothing they happen. Mazi, Leah Sharibu will bring accountable today again.
This matter, in fact, they say where Peking they cry, they point hand. If him papa no dead there, him mama go dead there. Nigerians don't talk plenty. I think 2 days ago we talked about this same thing.
Yes.
Yesterday now say we chook mouth inside. Today again, it don't come up. That's to tell you say Nigerians are worried.
Yeah.
How this girl go dey inside where we no know? Born 3 children through force, so force her. No be say she want one. They force her. She born. See her picture. See fine lady.
Fine lady.
For very fine picture.
For those who they watch the program now, if you not see the picture now, no say no. Picking finish for this one body.
But what you now want gain out of all these things? Carry person picking keep inside bush.
Just the give and believe me.
Give and believe they come picking. That one is slavery.
Like I break fowl when they put for cage make they lay egg.
I don't know. Government I beg. Nigerian government I beg. This one, me, I know, say if una want do one, I go do one. Nigerian government no be government, maybe you just come play anyhow with. Now government maybe say if they wake up one morning, say they go make one thing happen, they go make it happen.
Yes.
Senator Bola Tinubu, our president, this morning they beg you. This Leah Sharibu case, you don't dey ring bell since. Baba, do something.
Baba, make you do something. I wait till Mazi talk with that, and I wait till they talk with that. From that story, we'll go to the second one when I talk still get connected to the issue of terrorism, because the Nigerian army don't put the picture of Buzu, someone will come from Niger Republic, come they terrorize us for Nigeria. They mine our gold by force. They collect ransom from people. Whole villages from Nigeria ransom. And each time when soldier talks to the one catch them, you go quickly cross border, run go Niger Republic, and you know say our soldiers no fear enter there go do anything. Once you cross border, even not by 1 inch, if person should be let across, you don't cause international war be that. How you see this one? Niger, somebody from Niger, they come Nigeria, come terrorize us. They colonize and capture village. They mine our gold.
Kai. Now, Buzu, na they call them.
Yes, Buzu.
The truth be say, first and foremost, I go thank Nigerian army. I will hail them for this move. Because this guy don't they do this since. But for now, for them to wake up now, no be say they just start today. They don't they move, they try to move, you just sneak enter in the country, they go boom because of diplomatic whatever, I don't know. But how it be now? They don't come talk, say, come out openly, say this guy na wanted person in B.
Yes.
And because sometimes if you just enter market, buy 1 or 2 to go, people feel here. 10 people grab and hold am. Nigerian will come, they will catch am.
Yes.
Now what thing they tell us with that? But the other way around, more look at properly. Now insult to Nigerian government. Say person go comot for him own country, come sit down dey mine our gold here.
Yes.
They rape our women. They catch them, they pay ransom. Now serious, in fact, now slap to our face.
Heavy slap.
Now slap to our face. But Nigerian army, kudos to now for making this declaration, because this person we no need to leave am. If they carry our money, go they fast the account over there. Say what happen.
Yes.
Say what happen.
So from that one, we'll move on to the next one. We're here to touch with politics. I know say Mazi, they too like to talk about politics, but don't let you must stop politics. So because as long as you're in Nigeria, they live for Nigeria, you must stop politics. So politics don't call your front today. Yeah. Ganduje as APC chairman. They want change before now presidency no one chook my po. But the way this case they go, presidents don't set up some governors and tell them, make them look how they go arrange them. And even as they arrange them, make them try, make sure the CPC caucus for inside APC, now make them try search light and look for person who will possibly replace Ganduje. Before now, presidents no one chook out. Now when we say the team don't enter 18-yard box, they go put man on because say the case done the tough. Before now, so many draw me go, draw me come, they no one move go forward, they no one, now when they don't reassign the case to another judge for Kano, presidency don't begin tie their bet and see how you see this one general political talk, maybe young politics.
As a matter of fact, in as much as I would like to talk about this particular man, because personally, it gets some things way not too clear for my eye about this ex-governor of Kano State. Remember the time where they appoint him, because I know some election they do for national party chairman.
Yes.
But to me, appointment. If you won't get the real news, the raw news, go for those men where they read newspaper free in the morning, where they gather.
Free Leaders Club.
Or you go where Baro pushers sit down, where they know they work, they gather, they speak Hausa, Yoruba or Igbo English. You're going to see the local man they bring, and watching they talk not true, because you get local radio where they listen, yes. And you talk am. But for other higher places, they go polish and rubber for me, they go come find for I. They show us video. This video don't be say he fall from heaven. Now what thing happen? They show us. I will see him. Somebody talk and say the day when this man become, he say this man will go last 2 months. You understand? Now the APC. Me, I know the politician. But the truth is that anything where I think say they right, no gonna do am. Because I go leave this one with conscience of anybody where they involve. If la conscience he say na him be him, I will go continue. So be it. If la conscience he say no be him, oh yeah, gonna do something about that.
Anyhow, the one time.
Make it be.
All right. And for that one, we'll go enter the last story this morning. We got to do with federal government. We talk say they want to go carry pensioners money, take build road and build some things. And pensioners they shout saying a lie, no near our life savings because say all the money one even claim say una borrow in the past. They no see how una take you down. Una no open them. Una no to potentially when people go get trust and confidence say una go use this money well. So. Now I make way NLC and TUC, the two major labor organizations, they shout, the federal government, no touch our money, no touch our money. That our money, our workers contribute as our pension. By the time when I go to and put up and now when they retire, they no go send any money, give their pension as gratuity and all of that. And because of that, then they shout now. Say no touch our money, no touch our money. Because they say even about 70% of the money, now government don't wariously choke and put. And then not satisfied so far. So make government no touch their money. 19.6 trillion or more. That one not be small money.
Well, Labour people, I hail una once again. You know, say 2 days ago I hail una for the minimum wage stuff. But today I want to talk another good one. Where sweet my belly, it sweet my belly well. Maybe the person will suggest this thing to federal government. Maybe do government work or work for maybe just do business. And somehow enter politics, they call elect and him become. Because if you do government work, get somebody where they collect pension, go bring up this kind suggestion. If you repair road, repair bridge, repair everything, the people where suppose pass am die for hunger, who go use the road?
I tire.
Also man go say inkagiara hanya masum geriva.
Yes.
People, if you repair house, repair road, clear it fine. The people who go use the road, if you don't leave to use the road, how far? And it be that now. So please, federal government. I beg you again, 19.6 trillion. This money, no be this one no be adult money self. This one na kaka money. Na old this one na
grand papa mama.
Matured people money na be this one. No be money where go joke. And if like you can't touch am for men wey don labor. We dey talk am for our national pledge, our national anthem.
Labor of our heroes.
Shall not be in vain.
Hey, you don't want to wait even worry them. They say now wait una never touch the money to even pay pension they had now.
But the money day.
The money day on 19.6 trillion and government you will see months they no go pay pension as money. The money day una never touch am. Una don't they pay. What of if una can't touch and use them? How una can't do with people who don't retire?
But the men wey sit down for us wey dey take our laws, they drive cars wey almost near wetin we dey see here.
Yes.
Wetin be that thing?
Yes.
If let's say yes, this Nigeria, let's say they carry measurements, measure am. If your nose long, they go say go this side. You go wear brother. If your nose short, they go say go this side. Or if your father don't speak one English before, you can't be like say they talk one true. They go, this country, I know it don't like drama. It don't like say they do like one episode like that. This thing they two. I need to understand them. But I beg finally before I drop.
Yes.
I want hail labor. I want also hail federal government too. Because you get one government who does it one time, we don't even talk about and say day. This one even talk say dem dey, they don't even use am do one thing. But for you to even say e dey, but now we dey beg una. This one na beg we dey beg una. This money, e get men wey don work, wey don die sef go.
Yes.
And some people get hope say this money dey o. And hunger dey wire dem. You can't go repair road. You think say na blessing dey go bless you? Which road they wan pass wey dem never chop?
You know, this one even make me remember the time during my newspaper review for Procyon Radio this morning. Na IA Kinapa talk say e get someone wey be say from wey be neighbor, wey be say the person na only small money he need, na pensioner for like more than 3 weeks. He no see money take go treat himself. Na him this kind of money dey ground. In fact, Nigeria will heal the only God will help us. Well, Mazi, Uche, Ijegalu, I want to thank you well for say you come make them talk this morning and you don't talk your own, and we believe say other Nigerians will talk their own for our comment section. If you get any talk or matter you want to put for this thing, just drop out for our comment section so that people will also learn from your talk and from your wisdom. Now here now we will end the program today, but before we end, I'd like to appreciate everybody and thank everyone, especially those of you who watch us, and to also let people know say una fit phone this program, fit call into this program. The number na 0809-799-1989 or 0809-4646-206. Una also fit drop una comment and observation for our social media handles them. The social media handle na Procyon RTV. Procyon RTV. We're there for YouTube, we're there for Facebook, we're there for TikTok, we're there for Instagram, we're there for Twitter, we're there for LinkedIn, and we're also there for Thread. Just search for Procyon RTV. For those who hear us for radio, Procyon RTV to spell out na PROCYONROTV. Once you put it like that, you go feel get access to us and reach us. My name now Ehis Agbon. Until on Monday when we'll come with fresh edition of Make Them Talk. Make una remember to keep shining like star when una be. Una bye bye oh.